Good morning, students. We are going to discuss in this class equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Now, what is there? Observe there. I am drawing the space that is a rectangular coordinate system. Here, this is the x-axis, origin, y-axis, and z-axis. There is a plane in this space on which three non-collinear points are S, T with position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar respectively. That means, observe there I am drawing 3 points. This is this is R, S, T whose position vectors are A bar, this is B bar and this is C bar. These are the 3 points in the space. Further, now these vectors are in this plane. Now where is the RS vector here? Observe there. Here RS vector and this is the RT vector. Now where these vectors are lies, RS and RT vectors are lies in the plane. Therefore, RS bar cross RT bar, RS bar cross RT bar is perpendicular to this plane. That is nothing but normal of the plane. Now this one is perpendicular to this plane. That is, what is this one? This is RS bar cross RT bar. This is the normal perpendicular to this plane. Okay. Now here what I am taking, let P be any point on the plane with position vector R bar, That means I am taking a point in the same space with position vector P R bar. Now if I am joining this one, what I am going to do? This is the RS bar. Now here RS bar, RP bar. Now RS bar cross RT bar is perpendicular to the RS bar and RT, nothing but it is perpendicular to the plane. No, ultimately, and RP vector RPR lies on the total vector lies on the space. Hence, it is also perpendicular to the RP bar. Therefore, what you are going to get? RP bar dot R bar RS bar cross RT bar. RS bar cross RT bar is equal to 0. Now what you got? This one is here. What is the position vectors now? What is that one? Here OP bar minus OR bar dot RS bar. RS bar, what you can write? Observe there. RS bar you can write this one as OS bar minus OR bar cross OT bar minus OR bar is equal to 0. Now what you got? Here position vector of P bar is R bar. Therefore R bar minus A bar dot OS bar. OS is nothing but B bar. B bar minus A bar cross and OT bar. OT bar nothing but C bar. C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Here once again I am repeating this one. In this class we are going to discuss equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Now here what I am taken, let R, S, T be the three non-collinear points on the plane. Now this is the R, S, T be the points. Now what is this one vector? This is RS bar and RT bar. Both vectors are lies in the plane or not? If two vector lies are in the plane, then what you are going to get? The A bar comma B bar be the two vectors, and then what do you know? A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to both of A bar and B bar. Now RS bar cross RT bar is perpendicular to both of RS bar and RT bar. Ultimately, it is perpendicular to RS bar and RT bar. It is perpendicular to the required plane. That means given plane. Now here let another point, arbitrary point, any point on the plane you can take. Any point on the plane P with position vector R bar. Now here RP bar also a vector. No? Now it is perpendicular to R S bar. That means the vector lies on the plane. It is perpendicular to RT bar. That means vector lies on the plane. Ultimately, it is perpendicular to the RP bar. Now, two vectors are perpendicular. A bar comma B bar vectors are perpendicular means what you know? A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Ultimately, here dot product. What is the dot product? We are going to get RP bar dot RS bar cross RT bar is equal to 0. Therefore, what is RP bar? RP bar nothing but OP bar minus OR bar dot, and this is the OS bar minus OR bar cross OT bar minus OR bar is equal to 0. Now what is the position vector of P? R bar. R bar minus A bar dot B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane. Vector equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Now, let we derive Cartesian form. Let we derive Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Now, when you are going to the Cartesian form, let we take now what we are taking. Observe there. Let R x1, y1, z1. Otherwise, let x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 be the coordinates of R, S, T respectively. Further, P, X, Y, Z be any point in the space, be any point in the plane. Now, what you are going to get, observe there. Here, what you got now here? X, Y. Now, RP bar, what you are going to get? Now, RP bar. Now, that is nothing but first OR bar. OR bar, you are going to get X1 I plus Y1 J plus Z1 K. Similarly, OS bar. OS bar, what you are going to get? OS bar, we are going to get X2 I plus Y2 J plus Z2 K. Further, OT bar. OT bar is equal to X3 I plus Y3 J plus Z3 K and OP bar. Okay. Now, what is the OR bar? This is equal to A bar and this is equal to B bar and this is equal to C bar and OP bar is equal to R bar, that is equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Now what we have to find? We have to find RP bar. RP bar nothing but what you know? RP bar nothing but OP bar minus OR bar. That is R bar minus A bar. What you have? R bar minus A bar. If you have solved, what you are going to get? X minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap. Next one is R S bar. R S bar nothing but what you know? OS bar minus OB bar, that is B bar minus A bar. Then what you are going to get? X2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Further, what you are going to get, observe there. Now R T bar. R T bar nothing but C bar minus A bar. Then what you are going to get? X3 minus x1 I cap plus y3 minus y1 j cap plus z3 minus z1 k cap. Okay. Now, what is the equation of the plane we have? What is the equation of the plane? RS, that is RP bar dot RS cross RT is equal to 0. Once observe there, this already we are discussed in the vectors as additional topic, that is scalar triple product. Now what is not A dot B cross is nothing but box of ABC, no. That is nothing but what you are going to get? Box of Rp, Rs, Rt is equal to 0. Therefore, what you are going to get? Data. What is the Rp coefficients of Rp is the x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the Cartesian equation of the plane. Expand this one, you are going to get, if you are expanding this determinant, you are going to get required equation of the plane in the Cartesian form. Once again we are going to discuss. Observe there, here vector equation already we are derived. This is the Cartesian equation. Let x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 be the coordinates of the point R, S, T respectively, and P, x1, y1 be the any point on the plane. Now what you are going to get? OR bar nothing but position vector, that is x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k, that is nothing but A bar. Similarly, OS bar nothing but x2i plus y2j plus z2k, that is B bar, and OT bar is nothing but x3i plus y3j plus z3k, that is nothing but C bar, and OP bar nothing but R bar, that is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Now what you are going to get? Rp bar is nothing but R bar minus A bar. R bar minus A bar, if you are solved and taken common, then you are going to get x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap. Similarly, Rs by RT bar also you are going to get. Now what is the equation of the plane we are derived? Rp dot Rs cross Rt is equal to 0. Now the concept of the vector scalar triple product, that is a scalar triple production in the vectors chapter. What do you have? This is nothing but box of Rp, Rs, Rt is equal to 0. Box nothing but determinant, no? Therefore, what is the coefficients? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the, if you are expanded this determinant, you are going to get the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Now, in this here, find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. What they are given? Observe their non-collinear points: 2, 5, minus 3, and minus 2, minus 3, 5, and here T, 5, 3, minus 3. You ask the question in your textbook, that is find the equation of the plane, vector equation of the plane passing through the points R, 2, 5, minus 3, yes, minus 5, sorry, yes, minus 2, minus 3, 5, and T, 5, 3, minus 3. They are asked, now what is that? You have to find the first simple way, that is, what is that one? First, actually when they are given these points, let O be the fixed point or origin, ijk with caps, ijk be the unit vector tried now what you have observed there? Be the unit vector tried. Therefore, what you are going to get? OR bar. OR bar is equal to 2i plus 2i plus 5j minus 3k, and OS bar, what you are going to get? OS bar is equal to minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k, and OT bar, what you are going to get? OT bar is equal to, what you are going to get? Observe there, 5i plus 3j minus 3k. Now find the RS bar. What is the RS bar formula? RS bar nothing but OS bar minus OT bar, OR bar that is nothing but what you are going to get. Observe there. Here OS bar minus OT bar. OS bar nothing but here minus 2i minus 4i and minus 3i minus 5i minus j, sorry, minus 3j minus plus 5 plus and minus 5j minus 8j plus 5k minus plus 3k. Therefore this is plus 8k. This is the RS bar. Further I am going to find the RT bar. What is the RT bar? Observe there. RT bar is equal to what you can write? OT bar minus OR bar. Again, what you are going to get? Observe there here. 5 minus 2, 3i and plus 3j minus 5j, that is minus 2j and minus 3k minus 2 minus plus 3k. Ultimately 3k gets cancelled. You are going to get RT bar, this one. Okay, let P XYZ be a point, be any point, that means arbitrary point, any point on the plane with position vector R bar, with position vector R bar. Therefore, what is the equation we have? We have equation of the plane. We have equation of the plane. What is the equation of the plane we have? R bar minus A bar dot RS bar cross RT bar is equal to 0. Therefore, R bar minus A bar, R bar minus A bar is, what is the A bar you have? That is nothing but OR bar, that is 2i plus 5j minus 3k dot RS bar. What is the RS bar you have? RS bar is minus 4i minus 8j plus 8k cross 3i minus 2j is equal to 0. Hence, this is enough equation. Is need not to go for cross multiplication and solve it. If asked for final equation, you can go for that one. But this is the enough. Now, what is that? Observe there. Here, what you got? Here, further also you can go. That means expanding this one by taking cross multiplication and everything you can solve and you can get the equation. That is also you can get that equation. But up to here, there is enough. Why? Because this is only 2 marks question. That is equation. Find the equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points R 2, 5, minus 3, S minus 2, minus 3, 5 and T 5, 3, minus 3. Now, usually you are going to solve in the vector form. That's why you have to take the origin. Let O be the origin and I, J, K be the unit vector tried along the coordinate axis. Therefore, position vectors what you are going to get? OR bar is equal to you are going to get 2i plus 5j minus 3k and OS bar is equal to what you are going to get? Minus 2i minus 3j plus 5k and OT bar what you are going to get? 5i plus 3j minus 3k. Therefore, now what you have to find? RS bar. RS bar nothing but what is the formula we have? We have the formula OS bar minus OR bar. According to OS bar minus OR bar, what you are going to get? Here observe that minus 2 minus 4i minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8j and this is plus minus 2 minus plus 5 plus 3 8 plus 8k. Further RT bar nothing but OT bar minus OR bar. OT bar minus OR bar nothing but 5 minus 2 3i and plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2j and minus 3 minus 2 minus plus 3k minus 3k plus 3k gets cancelled. We will get the k term. Now what is the equation? Let P XYZ be any point in the plane with position vector R bar. Then we have the equation of the plane R bar minus A bar dot RS cross RT is equal to 0. Therefore, R bar and substitute the A bar and RS bar as well as RT bar. This is the equation of the required equation of the plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. Okay. Here another question. Derive the equation of the plane in the intercept form. Now that means if you take a plane, now what we are taking, observe there, let the plane makes intercepts of A, B, C on coordinate axis respectively. Coordinate axis respectively. If they are making the coordinate axis respectively, okay, now let it meets coordinate axis at R, S, T respectively. That means it meets the x axis at R, y axis at S, and z axis at T. That means this is R, S, T. Now what is the coordinates of the R you are going to get? You are going to get the coordinate axis, that is A comma 0 comma 0. That means A 0 0. And what are the coordinates of the y axis you are going to get? You are going to get 0 B 0. And coordinate axis of the z axis, what you are going to get? Coordinates of the T. That means 0 0 C. These are the coordinates of the, that means whatever the intercepts made by the plane on the coordinate axis. Further, what we have equation of the plane in the normal form already we are derived. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, otherwise plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane we derived. Now here this is the plane passes through the point A or not, that is R or not. Why? Because it meets the x axis at R. Therefore at what you can write? At R A 0 0. Then what we are going to get if we are substituted? A into A plus B into 0 0 plus C into 0 0 plus D is equal to 0. Therefore here what we are going to get? A into A is equal to plus D. If you are taken outside, you are going to get minus D. Therefore you are going to get what you are going to get? At A is equal to minus D by A. Similarly at S what you are going to get? At S you are going to get B is equal to minus D by B. And at T is equal to what you are going to get? C is equal to minus D by C. These are the points. Now if you have substituted these points in the equation, required equation, that means equation 1, what you are going to get? Observe there. Here A, what you can write? A into, that is A, instead of A what you can write here? Minus D by A into X plus minus D by B into Y plus minus D by C into Z. I am taking plus D outside, it become minus D. Otherwise keep the plus D is equal to 0. In the next step we are taking outside. Now from these three you can take the minus D common. If I have taken minus D common, what I am going to get? Here 1 by A into, that means 1 by A into X plus 1 by B into Y plus 1 by C into Z. I am taking plus D outside, it become minus D. Minus D gets cancelled. Hence required equation of the plane in the normal, that is intercept form, is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to what you are going to get? 1. This is the equation of the plane in the form of intercept. Okay. Here once again I am going to discuss this one. Observe there. Derive the equation of the plane in the intercept form. Let the plane makes an intercepts of A, comma B and C on the coordinate axis. Let it meets the coordinate axis at R, S, T respectively. Then what we are going to get? R is A 0 0, S is 0, B 0 and T is 0 0 C. Okay, there are the points. Now what is the equation of the plane we are derived in the normal form? We have the equation of the plane in the normal form is the AX plus BY plus C plus D is equal to 0. Now further, where the plane meets the coordinate axis, R, S, T, no? Now R, A, 0, 0, what you are going to get if you are substituting these coordinates in the equation of the plane? A into A plus 0 plus 0 plus D is equal to 0. Therefore, A into A is equal to plus D. If you are taken outside, it become minus D. Now further, A is equal to minus D by A. Similarly, what we are going to get? Similarly, we are going to get at S, B is equal to minus D by B and C is equal to minus D by C. Now if you have substituted this A, B, C values in the equation 1, we are going to get minus D by A into X plus minus D by B into Y plus minus D by C into Z plus D is equal to 0. Further, you can take from minus D from first three terms, minus D into 1 by AX plus 1 by by plus 1 by CZ, and plus D if I taken outside, it become minus D. Now minus D gets cancelled. We got the equation of the plane in the intercept form, that is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Usually one more question is going to be asked based on the intercept form. Earlier last question is, direct question is there. Let, what is the question they are asking means, equation of the plane makes coordinates, whose coordinates are A, 0, 0, 0, B, 0, 0, 0, C. This is the one mark question given to confuse. So many people are mentally they are going to fix that equation of the plane. They are given 3 points, mean they are 3 are non-collinear points. Why non-collinear points? Why? Because they are lies on x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. They won't think the intercept form. They are going to try the equation in the form of 3 non-collinear points. But don't go for that one. Directly by observing that one, what you can observe here? A, 0, 0. That means it lies on x-axis. That means x-intercept is A. Similarly, y-intercept is B. Similarly, z-intercept is C. Hence, now clearly what you can write now? Clearly, we have the equation of the plane whose intercepts are A, B, C is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. This is the required equation. Directly we can write in the one word. Okay, just observe that it is given to confuse you. That is, if they are given 3 points means, if wantedly mention 3 non-collinear points, I will mention 3 non anyway. Why? Because they are non-collinear points. One is lies on x-axis, one is lies on y-axis, and one is lies on z-axis. Ultimately, but what do you know? Other coordinates are 0, 0. No. Therefore, what you are going to know? A 0, 0 means point is A. That means it meets the x-axis at A. That means coordinate of that is intercept of x-axis A, and similarly intercept of the y-axis is B and intercept of the z-axis is C. Hence, what is the required equation of the plane? We are going to get the required equation of the plane is the x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the plane. Further, one more question is also asked similarly. Find the equation of the plane which makes intercepts of 3, 2, 3, 4 on the coordinate axis respectively. Once again, one more question asked. One more. Find the equation of the plane which makes the intercepts 2, 3, 4 on coordinate axis respectively. Directly, what is given? Given is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. And what we have read? We have equation of the plane. We have equation of the plane is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Therefore, what is equation? Required equation is, hence required equation is x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. This is the required equation. One more question. What is the question? Observe there once again. Find the equation of the plane which makes intercepts of 2, 3, 4 on the coordinate axis respectively. Clearly, what they are given? Coordinate of the intercepts, no? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. Therefore, what we have? We have the equation of the plane in the intercept form is the x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Substitute A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. Hence, this is the required equation of the plane. Further, here another question is asked. What is the question? Equation of the plane which makes an intercepts of 3 units on y-axis. Intercepts of 3 units on y-axis and parallel to the plane ZOX. Once again I am repeating the question. Observe the equation of the plane which makes an intercept of 3 units on y-axis. Y-axis. Okay, and parallel to ZOX plane. ZOX plane. That means what is the equation? Observe there. What we are going to get. Okay. Now equation of the plane intercept form is the x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. But if it is parallel to the ZOX plane, it is the parallel to the ZOX plane means it does not make any intercepts on the x-axis as well as y-axis. Therefore, the intercept made by the x-axis is 0 and intercept made on x-axis also 0, z-axis also 0. Therefore, what we are going to get? Y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to b. This is the required equation of the plane. Now, we have to use directly that one. What is that one? We have the equation of the plane which is parallel to ZOX plane and meets the x-axis at b is y is equal to b. Hence, required equation of the plane is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 is the answer. Observe there. Here, what they are asked, observe the equation of the plane which makes an intercept of 3 units on y-axis and parallel to the ZOX plane. That means actually we have the intercept of the plane is intercept form of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Now it is parallel to the ZOX plane. ZOX plane means it does not meet the z-axis as well as x-axis. Therefore, coordinates of the intercept made by the that one is the zeros. Therefore, this is become 0 and this is become 0. Finally, what you are going to get? Y by b is equal to 1. That is y is equal to yb. The same concept we have to use. Therefore, required equation of the plane is y is equal to b. Now, what is the b they are given? 3. Therefore, required equation is y is equal to 3. Next question. On this one only, they may ask the one more question. Find the intercepts made by the plane. Find the intercepts made by the plane on coordinate axis. What is the plane they are given? 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5 they are given. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5 they are given. And what they are asked? Find the coordinates made by, intercepts made by the plane on the axis. That means what is the equation actually we have? We have the equation is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Therefore, we have to reduce that one into the same form. Now, what I am going to get observed there is equal to 5 is there no? Now, here outside what should be there? Observe there. Here 1 should be there. That's why you have to divide the equation with 1. Therefore, what we are going to get? 2x plus y minus z by 5 is equal to 5 by 5. Now, if you have separated this one, what you are going to get? 2x by 5 plus y by 5 plus minus z by 5 is equal to 5 gets cancelled 1. Now, it should be in the form of x by a, y by b, z by c. No? Therefore, x by, what you can write? This is 5 by 2 plus y by 5 plus z by minus 5 is equal to 1 by, because it should be in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c. Minus intercept you got means it makes an intercept on negative z-axis. Therefore, required intercepts. What you are going to get? Required intercepts are 5 by 2 comma 5 comma minus 5. Okay. Once again, I am repeating this question. Observe there. What they are asked? Find the equation of the plane. Find the intercepts made by the plane 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5 on the coordinate axis. Now, what is the intercept form of the equation? We have x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. That means outside it should be 1. That's why we have to divide the total equation with 5. Now, if you have separated, you got that 2x by 5 plus y by 5 minus z by 5 is equal to 1. But it should be in the x by y by z by, no, here 2 is there. That's why dividing both numerator and denominator, you are going to get x by 5 by 2 plus y by 5, and it is also should be plus z by minus 5. Z by negative means x by negative, y by negative means it meets the negative x axis or negative y axis or negative z axis. Now is equal to 1. Finally, it becomes the form now. Now what is x intercept? 5 by 2. Y intercept is 5 and z intercept is minus 5. This is the regarding equation of the plane in the intercept form. Here I am adding Google document for every that one from my drive. You can download first before listening the class. Download if possible. Take the printout. Then listen the class. It is somewhat comfortable to you. Okay. Now when you are going to watch the video, there is the one triangle mark will be there below the video. If you press that one, you are going to get the drive. Google.drive. Some link you are going to get. If you press that one, drive will open. From that one, download symbol will be there. Download the video. If possible, take the printout. We are going to send it through WhatsApp also, but better to download from that one, and you can get the required data from that one. And after downloading the notes, you can listen the class. It's somewhat effective will be there. Why? Because a lot of difference between live class and YouTube class, as well as now what we are taking regular class. Okay. Thank you.